Good evening, Ms. Mela. Let me introduce myself. My name is Niputu Jacintayantik, NPM 1033 from 60. Today, I would like to present the final test about the impact of the internet on English language development. And here of the content, the table of content about my presentation today. So for the first is introduction, main discussion, and conclusion. And for the introduction, I will explain about internet in general. Internet is the most important tool and the leading resource used by almost everyone around the world. If your device is connected to the internet, then only you can access all applications, websites, social media applications, and many other services. The internet is currently considered the fastest medium for sending and receiving information. Okay, next is some important use of the internet. So the first is online business or e-commerce. Online shopping sites have made our life easier. E-commerce sites like Shopee, Tokopedia, and transaction. And the second is cashless. All merchandising companies offer service to their customers to pay product bills online through various payment applications. And the third is education. It is an internet facility which provides lots of educational materials for everyone through any server across the web. Those who cannot attend physical classes can choose any course from the internet and can gain hands-on knowledge of it just sitting at home. High-class faculty teach online on digital platform and provide quality education to students with the help of the internet. And the fourth is social networking. The purpose of social networking sites and apps is to connect people all over the world. With the help of social networking sites, we can talk, share with video, pictures with our loved one when they are away from us. In addition, we can create groups for discussion or meetings. And the last is entertainment. Internet is also used for entertainment. There are many entertainment options available on the internet, like watching movie, playing games, listening to music, and etc. You can also download movies, games, songs, TV series easily from internet. Okay, next is English language in general. English is the oldest language in the world, and English as an international language has a long history. Since ancient Roman times, it is necessary to have a language that can be understood by many people, so that people from different countries can understand when communicating. Okay, next is some of the important use of the English language. For the first, English is used in global communication and international dialogue. Most international organizations present their official statement in this language, which give English some prestige. And in the modern world, we consider it a fundamental skill for those participating in international dialogue. And the second, the importance of English in education. English is important for students because it can expand their minds, develop emotional skill, improve quality of life by providing job opportunities. And the last is the language of the internet. Why is it said internet language? To the fact that more than 50% of internet content represent English. Next is YouTube in general. On YouTube is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online videos. You can even create and upload your own videos to share with others. And the best thing about YouTube videos related to education is that YouTube can be easily integrated into various education systems, one of which is learning English. And this is a kind of positive impact of the internet. First, increase the insight of and knowledge. And second, become a communication media. Third, unlimited communication. Four, easy to work remotely. And the last, facilitate business transaction. And this is for the negative impacts of the internet. So the first, pornography, the second, spread of false information, third, launch of scams, and the last, plagiarism. So next topic is main discussion. We are in the midst of a modernization vortex where things that are conventional have become much more modern. In the past, technology used manually and traditionally dominated our life in society, while today it tends to be more sophisticated. In general, the digital era can be interpreted as a period where the dissemination of information is carried out quickly and easily because of digital technology, one of which is YouTube. On YouTube, it is widely used to find material as a learning medium based on the topic. The use of English on YouTube is very dominant. Besides that, everyone can more easily learn English through YouTube because on YouTube, everyone can learn everywhere and anytime through the videos that are displayed. Contains a detailed description. In fact, the use of YouTube as a learning media has a significant positive role in increased student interest in learning. Potentially, YouTube is very popular site and has many videos that can have an impact on education, especially learning English. Practical and complete. YouTube can be used easily and has complete information. Shareable, YouTube videos can be shared easily. Share the link. Interactive, YouTube has facilities for question and answer through the comments forum. For the advantage of YouTube as learning medium is that it is informative, meaning that YouTube can provide information, including the current development of science and technology. Cost-effective, meaning that YouTube can be accessed for free via the internet. Besides being useful for students, it is also useful for teachers and lecturers because it can be used as a teaching medium to increase students' interest and motivation to learn so they don't get bored easily. Okay, you can see on the screen in this topic, the YouTube channel that will be analyzed is English with Emma. Emma is a YouTuber from Canada, her doing to teach about English learning. Learning is a different language, can be hard, but it can also be a fun and rewarding experience. She is TESOL certified and have the students from various backgrounds, ages, and levels. In the English with Emma YouTube content, in expanding the description of the content as a whole, it uses formal written language. Here are 3 examples of the content description facts using formal language. You can see on the screen the comments. On YouTube content entitled Learn English by or with. There are comments that use formal and informal language in writing. You can see on the screen for the example of comment using formal language and then example of comment using informal language. This is an example of using the word by. I learned English with watching English video and I write with a pen. And next example of using the word with. So first, Italian talk with their hands. I point with my fingers. I cleaned the floor with a mop, and I ate dinner with a fork. In the verbal description video by Emma, it is explained that by is usually more related to what you do, while with has more to do with what you use. This makes by more associated with a verb, while with is more associated with a noun. Okay, next topic is conclusion. It can be concluded that the development of digital communication is growing rapidly because of the internet, and in line with that, the use of English on the internet is increasingly being found. The fact is that more than 50% of internet content represent English. Therefore, on the internet indirectly, we will be easier to understand English, which is none other than learning English. Everyone can use YouTube, which is one of the most popular sites on the internet and has many videos, can have impact on education, especially learning English. YouTube can be used a learning medium because it is informative, cerebral, and interactive. So can increase interest and motivation to learn so as not to get bored easily. Okay, thank you for your attention. I do apologize if there is any mistake. And good evening. Have a nice day. Thank you.